Go ahead, Miss Fisher.
My side hurts.
Sorry.
Yes, I read all that food I ate.
Come on in, Miss Rover.
Sorry, I'm not going to be reading today.
Oh,
We're going to have a show and tell, though.
Okay.
Oh, that's even more fun.
All
I
right.
think our show and tell is here.
I just heard a knock at the door. Come in.
Another picture. Hold on.
The class has no idea what's going on, do y'all? Oh,
It's
that's...
a daddy. It's a daddy-daughter picture.
Oh, that's right. You'll be home for daddy, don't you?
Yes, he will.
Awesome. You'll be home for that. That's awesome. Y'all know he's been away, right?
Yep.
He came home and surprised her. She didn't know. Isn't it exciting?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, look.
Yeah. Oh, I got to get a picture of that. Oh, that's cute. Get my daddy. Oh, that's sweet. Yay, now she gets a check out.
She's done now.
She's done now.
She's done. Me too.
Yeah. I told we should have it.